Okay, now that we are ready for the day, we're gonna get some breakfast going. I'm thinking eggs. I'm thinking ooh. I think I'm gonna do an omelet for myself, and then eggs and some toast for the kiddos with some fruit, and then call it, because they don't need all that food. Just kidding. It's expensive. Which is why we shop at Costco. No bread for me though. I'm trying to keep carbs as low as possible. So I have this table that we're gonna add the leaf in so that we can extend it, because I feel like it would fit in the space, but we're gonna see.
Well, it shouldn't just come out, but I'm moving around just in case. Hey, how's everybody else feeling in your household? Family household? Yeah, but this is just separate, right?
Yeah.
Do you want to watch it?
Is there one on that side?
Tell me. Check off. Maybe a tree out this.
They go. 3 on this side.
What I tell you? Push one side. Push your side a little bit more.
Look at the finish on that one.
I know. Yeah, more and more. Stand still right there.
Nice.
Little clean. Where's your table spread?
In here.
Oh, that's like an extra 18 inches to it. Like 16 to 18 inches or so. That's now that doesn't feel so cramped.
Right. I thought it would be too big in the space, but it fits really nicely. Yeah.
It just needs to wax or something.
Well, I have the oil, but the oil I don't know how to like buff it in to where it doesn't come off of everything you see.
Merry Christmas, baby. Reindeer's coming out to play. Santa Claus is packing the presents, making sure you've been behaving okay.
When I did it, it just left it super oily.
Merry
The
Christmas,
oil kept coming off every time I wipe it. So it's like it's not penetrating.
off his hat,
This could be a,
putting on the show for everybody.
that's definitely how it was. So
Smiling
that's
last
gonna be an
love
issue.
year.
It's not even too slow.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing in December.
See, look at that. Okay.
Oh,
Now you got ample space over there too.
yeah. Is it in the
Not
center
really-
though?
Yeah, it's. Oh, you got both of them.
Fire is popping, the chestnuts are cracking, yeah.
The keys?
Merry Christmas,
I
baby.
need to be able to.
Like this or like
Merry
this?
Christmas,
Either way it's fine.
baby.
You want to get it nice, and you don't have to do it super hard. Just nice and soft. Okay.
Now wish upon a falling star, so all your secret dreams can come true.
Thanks for teaching me that.
There's something that happens when sleigh bells are ringing, when December is, when the children are singing, yeah. It's Merry Christmas, baby.
Can we catch the fly?
Hey, bend over. Wow.
Where'd he go?
Over here.
Oh, I heard it. Oh, I heard it. He mad now.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Dang,
I think fast now. Ooh. Ah, dang.
I don't want this to fly.
I know.
He's like, oh, oh, oh.
He's putting the moves on us. There it is.
Merry Christmas, baby.
Oh, he was on the wall. You missed him.
He went over there. Oh yeah, I don't like flies, especially them horse flies.
You why my daughter is over here afraid of flies and stuff.
Okay, and
Oh, there's more than one.
you trying to buzz? I heard it.
Where'd he go? Now he's playing tennis. This is a Wii tennis.
There he is.
Where'd he go?
Where did he go?
Yo, he's fast.
He's fast. He's taking a break somewhere right now.
I think he's over here somewhere. That's what's up. Fastest boy. Touch it?
No.
I didn't touch it.
It'll zap you.
What?
It'll zap you.
Wait, what?
He zapped daddy already.
Touch it again.
You do it.
I'm scared.
It's gonna zap you.
I'm scared. Wait, will it really hurt?
It didn't hurt. It'll shock you. Almost like you know how sometimes we can shock each other. It feels like that.
Will it hurt? That's not nice.
That's how it knocks.
Something you like that changes the light?
No, it's something I like. But change the light.
So change the light?
Yep.
The daytime.
Okay. It's the sun that it's bright but change the light.
It's the what?
It's the sun. When it goes down, it changes the light.
That's a good one. Good job.
We'll be safe from the devil's choir. I stand by you when you're falling, when the river is calling. I said I love you forever. We can make it together.